Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. What those person talking on my ear is doing, they is putting me on killing, they is slapping my ear today. Ayan na naman, it's swallow. What it is about? Because of I write, and then what they're doing is killing myself. I wish talaga casket be happen. They is talking on my ear and then what they're doing is killing me. That voice is a while ago the Bobo camouflage. Bobo Philippine camouflage. Criminal killer. And then the second is cousin. I not want to say cousin because they is criminal. And then relative. And then Pokpok, Bobo Philippine criminal killer, is talking on my ear. So, how they harass me? I'm not happy. I am not happy that this is happening on myself. I am not happy. This is harassment. Harassment it is. Oh, teka. Harassment is what they're doing. They want me to cry so that I could have heart pain illness. Are you? Are you? I need the help from other country. I wish they be dead. It is good. At this moment, the chance of them being on casket is so high. Ay, ka. Their voice is so angriness when they talk. You know why? You know why? Because of envious. Inggit. Inggit na inggit. Of what I have. Ay, ka. One count only is my lover. One count. Ay, ka. Matinding kabit na pokpok. Slash head sana. Only here, Philippine. Please remind yourself. Only here, Philippine. Kabit. Third party, third person on relationship. Killer of relationship is so higher than the original. That is so how GRO is Philippine. While I talk, the kabit number 2 is talking on my right ear. I wish even a kid GRO here Philippine. Why? What's wrong with my talking? Myself is being on a black magic, hurting, killing. Oh, ano? original is me. I not hurt and then they use black magic so that they could kill me. They is bullying me about work. I wish their food is their deadness. I wish that is poison onto them. Ay, ka. Nakakadiri na yung boses ng kabit. Kadiri. They not want me to work. They not want me to work. Ano yon? Sa buhay, yung taong nagmamagic. Abang buhay-buhay. Kahit masama. Mundo pa ba yon? Ha? Ayan na naman siya, salita na naman siya. Mundo pa ba yon? No drama. Sayang-saya sila kakasilip ko ano yung sarili ko. Mundo pa ba yon? Di ako drama. Someone is putting me on dramatic. I not like drama. I wish you have HIV and AIDS cancer illness. Ano? I need help. I will translate a while ago what I say. Is that the earth? Is that an earth? Is that a earth? Earth. Planet Earth. Kami, third party on the relationship is higher than original. Those person that use black magic is higher when it comes on to killing a life that is goodness. Earth is that what it is? Parang di naman ata. Demonyo na yung nasa tenga ko. Habang buhay GRO sana nasa tenga ko. For lifetime GRO is those person on my ear. Teaching? I wish here teaching here Philippine is so perishable. Why perishable? Because of their attitude. Gold digger. The right eye says, nangyari man, sabi niya. Perishable. The Bobo camouflage, oh. The Bobo Philippine camouflage does not want to stop. They is bullying me. This is not learning. This is torturing. comes on to Grace po, Senator Grace po saying that year 2023, torture, the description of it is saying to myself being on torture, putting myself on torture situation. I feel traumatized 2023. Year 2023. Ano? Luluhod na luluhod. Kailangan luhod. Ay, Alex. Tama ba yun? Yung mama mo, inuutosan ako. Luhod sa kanya? For what purpose? I not want in here. I not want in here. I seek help from other country. Not in here. Ano mo? Alex, kailan ka matitigil sa drama? Do you know the meaning of drama? Person Uis? Ha? Baka mahina ka sa observation. Nahina observation. You know how to observe. Salot sa buhay ang kabit. You know how to observe. At this moment, they is putting me heart pain illness. A while ago, I am videoing this. My hygiene storage. And yet, they is putting me on cryness. I wish talaga karma is on high already. So that my life will be on happy now. Yung karma nila. Sana dumating na. Hindi ako life is happy. When it is sadness already, I wish talaga karma is high. So those bad person be dead. Diyos ko. Diyos ko. Hindi ako lumaki para lamang payakin. Kadiri ka. To my baby. Baby. Myself is original. What you are doing is drama. Drama to the point of it is a family. And yet you just talk on my ear. And then getting of what is like. While myself is on a situation of kulam. While you enjoy life. Walang ba? Anamig ko. At the moment myself is talking about baby, it will leads to gold digger, and then when it comes to gold digger, the bad person, the slash head is killing me. I will work. I will work. I wish talaga dumating na yung karma. Literal karma. 7 year na ako, 8 year na this year, oh. Kulam. Hayop sa pambabastos. Hajiri ka. Hajiri ka. Never teaching disease. I wish their cancer is growing already. But person be dead. Could you not imagine that? Those person on higher? Could you not imagine that? Oh, ba't naiba na naman? A while ago there is echo, and then now no echo? Kaya? Could you not imagine that? Myself is behave only here, Philippine. I could live alive, live L-I-V-E, bobo. I could live alive. I could live alive. I am behave person. And then, when myself is talking, they is hurting me. Bakit? Why? Behave person and then talking and yet you will hurt. Why? Why? Ang palaman ng mukha mo, di ka ginugusto. Oh, sino natawa? I am just behave, oh. Before, while myself is being hurt, ano, Alex? Ano na? Those person on my ear, they is killing me. Hayop ka! Ano na? At the moment they is stopping me to talk, oh. Happy ka? Happy? Ha? Happy ka to a life that is being hurt? Tayo! Tayo! I'm not drama. I'm not drama. I wish talaga karma is higher already so that they be dead. When it comes to Europa, I will do such that. Only on Europa, positivity. I need help. I need help. I need help from other country. Foreigner. Hindi yung mga kadiri. At this moment, they is putting me on a situation of to killing. Napakabastos. I not hurt other person. And yet this is what they're doing. That is how to pervert this country, Philippine country. I not talk to them. I not want to talk to them and then they talking on my ear. Harassment. I wish talaga karma is already on movement. I wish talaga. I am happy a while ago that this is what they're doing. Alex, babae ako. Gender ako. This country is so pervert. Ayan. Oh, the TikToker sing it. Interfere. Continuous love life ko kay Alex. At least you know, Alex, of how myself on a situation of such this. May karma din si Alex. Married kami, Lex ko. May karma din si Alex. What is about gaya-gaya? Timid ko. Lover Lex ko. My baby is not in here. Ay nauwan in here. Gold digger. Kin lang akin. Excuse me? Married myself to Alex ka. One count of baby. Baby boy. My baby is not yours. Mine is mine. They not stop to bully me. I not want to talk to them. You know the reason? My situation, no? I am just writing a while ago. I am just videoing this a while ago. And yet they put me on cryness. There is person in here slapping on my ear is enjoyment of her. I wish talaga. Karma is so high already. Higher level. Married to Alex ko. I am married to Alex Jr. ko. I not want the kid on Cagayan. I wish your karma is so high. Suddenly talking on my ear, I not talk to that person. So what does it mean? Diba? They talk on my ear that I not talk to them. And yet they is hurting me. Nita. Kinlam baby ko. the moment they stopping me to talk, they would not want me to talk, but what I want to say is, not what I want to say, what myself is on this camera video. I want to talk. That's my feeling on my a while ago camera video is will be get on the use of black magic about this storage. Why? Because on my storage there is only two count of glass. Yeah, the person is getting my feeling talaga. Hello. Ew, healthy person is me. Nyeta ka. Pakin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is killing me. I not want them. Away lago talaga. For real. For real. Myself is on happy mood. Please help me naman, oh. This person on my ear is killing me. Please, no one from other country. Amo, mamatay sarili mo. My happy person is behave. And then what is not the normal is myself cry. Because they talk on my ear. And then putting angriness. And then they will get my happiness. So what does it mean? Ang tindi ng COVID sa Pilipinas. Yeah, akin lang Alex ko. I need help. Punaas and then Miniso. To only is the brand. And then this one, the DW. This one. Miniso. this one. And then Punaas. Cute. However, I'm happy with my stuff. He is killing me. Those person on my ear that talks. While I am looking on it, the right eye uses black magic and then such as something such that. The right eye, the bad person. In here, myself is happy. While in here, they is putting sadness. So that myself to have heart pain illness. Please help me from other country. What about this one? Tone up the word. There is suddenly silence. Excuses of this. This is the instance of their excuses so that myself be put on hurting. They hurt me because I am happy a while ago. Wait, maybe the person is tends to feel me. So what is the hmm? That is how she do it? Why when she slaps me and I cry, my feeling will be she get and there is a black magic and then it boosts her. If I watch horror, she will put intensity on myself so that myself will have illness. Killer talaga yung kubit. If I am happy, she will carry. On days of black magic and then on myself, sadness. I need help from other country. I need help from other country. I not use black magic. At the moment I have fever, my fever is already on 4 count. 4 count or 3 count. I got to exercise. Wait lang. Yak, mamatay ka kabi. April 3. Today is April. April 7. My camera video will end 49 minutes and 40 seconds. So, for count already is my fever. I just drink, I just swallow Biogesic twice. Headache more on. Headache. Oh, headache. Doon la Alex ko dikit. Dikit la Alex ko. If intelligence, that is the moment that it is being returned on myself. Talking about. When I talk, I listen to my own voice and then remembering of what it is, and then it suddenly shows. That is how it is happens. 49 minutes already counting. So on myself is on when I talk and then I listen to my own voice. The memory tends to return. Then I write it, but it is on the kabit pa rin when it comes onto my that onto that. It is 28, 39,